Rollerball Federation of India. And now I please call upon Shri V.K. Sood, the President, International Rollerball Federation.
Shri Moon Singh ji, Rajpal, Avesh Hajer ji, Tendra Sopal ji, Siddharth ji, or Raju Dubade, dignitaries on the dais, participating players, ladies and gentlemen. The International Rollerball Federation was founded in year 2003. I took over as a president of IRBF in 2007. During the last few years, I have traveled many countries, Europe, North America, and Asian countries, and able to introduce the rollerball game in around more than 25 countries. With our dedicated efforts, we were able to conduct 6 international championships and 1 Asian championship at Hong Kong. After all these championships, enthusiasm of the game by countries, we are able to organize our first World Cup at Pune. Cheers. This is your city. Today we have with us around 16 countries participating, and this is a great moment for the rollerball game. The World Cup was the big challenge for IRBF, but due to untiring efforts by my team and people involved with us, in a short time, we were able to plan the same. I think IRBF has achieved a big goal. I'm confident that this championship will be a great success and supported by my colleagues and all members of the Rollerball family, sponsors, press, and electronic medias and other sporting agencies involved in this game. My special thanks to Maharashtra government and Rollerball Federation of India, Ajay Hajer ji, host of this function. India is hosting this. Pune Municipal Corporation for providing us all the world-class facilities in Pune. We wish more and more countries will join, and I am proud to announce that this world will every year, 2 years, starting from Pune this year. There is a lot of thrill in the game, and I wish people around the world and come forward to support this game. And I seek your kind support to popularize the game and support the IRBF with this first World Cup, which is taking place in your own city. I wish all the players best of luck for the World Cup and look forward to a great sporting event. Thank you.